How to find comment ranking settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find comment ranking settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite, click these three lines in the top corner, go down, click settings, and here just click this one, followers and public contents, and here just click here you will find that comment ranking, and now just that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.